Hello everyone, good morning to all of you. Myself Gopal Srivastava, I am taking out science subject. Student, today I will discuss about some topics of chapter number 3rd. So get ready to study about chapter number 3rd. Student, did you know what is the name of your chapter number 3rd? I hope you are know about your chapter number 3rd. Third is safety. What is safety and first aid? Safety and first aid. Now student, get ready to open your textbook chapter number 3rd. Okay student, open your book. Class 5th. Subject science, and the topic is safety. Safety and first aid. Okay. Student, hope you are all read the first topic, that is safety from your textbook. Only one topic, that is safety from fire. Safety from fire. Generally it is common in kitchen area, and because kitchen area there are so many gadgets, electric gadgets, gas stoves and switches and many electrical appliances in modern kitchen. It is very common. So there are some other fire like kerosene, petrol, diesel. And student, what is the prevention of fire? I have already discussed about this topic. Okay student, what is the fire, safety from fire, and what is the prevention from fire? I am also discussed after completing this topic about the concept check, what I have learned from this topic. Today we will discuss about the first aid in this chapter. First aid. Okay student, first aid, very simple definition: the immediate help given to a injured person before the arrival of the doctor. So student, it is very necessary to know the first aid for the particular situation. Without understood what I am giving on the emergencies, this is the very important to read and learn some tips about the first aid in the common emergencies. So student, open your book in first aid for common emergencies. There are so many common emergencies each and every places, because accidents can occur in anywhere due to the carelessness, unexpected. Okay, so student, to why we have known about the first aid, because what is the main motive for first aid? This is very important, because main motive providing aid, because this save the life of victim. Save the life of victim. Victim means injured person. due to immediate given the first aid, we can save the life of victim. 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 Second, you can prevent further harm. Prevent from further harm in future. Because about knowing the accident, we can prevent the further harm, and you can also provide help for recovery. Provide help for recovery. So you can give the first aid in common emergencies to providing what is main motive, to save the life of victim and prevent from further harm. And knowing the first aid also provide help for recovery. Okay, student? So learn about some tips in common emergencies. First aid for different situation. First aid for different situation. Student, we got generally injured in anywhere. So what is important? We should know about the what is the first aid on the that particular situation. So student, give first aid only if we know about the first aid properly. Okay, so first aid for burns. Student, what is the first aid for burn? First aid for burn. When we have got a minor burn, so student, please wash the burn area with cold water, under running water or the tap water, and wash it if the burn is not severe. If not severe, okay, if burn is very minor, so wash the burn area with cold water and apply any antiseptic cream like Bernol or Silverex, and student, cover it with any clean and very light clothes. Okay, if burn is severe and there blisters are formed, so don't touch the blisters because it causes the painful to the victim. So don't touch the blisters. Okay, wash the blister with soap and water if they are brushed. Okay, I call the doctor or meet to the doctor for proper treatment. Okay, student, and burn due to the chemicals. Sometimes person got burned due to the chemicals in the laboratory, at the home. Okay, so that time wash the affected area with clean water. Wash the affected area with clean water. And student, you can also cover with a clean bandage or gauze. Okay, student, in case of severe burn, please go to the doctor and consult for proper treatment. Okay, now student, if there is small burn, use baking soda. Baking soda is very common in the kitchen. Throw the baking area if small fire on the pan. Pan for making the puris and puris, sometimes they are burned. So throw the baking soda on the burn area, it cool down the burning continuously. So because it cutted the supply of air. Student, you know that burn continuously when we supply the air. Okay, student, if you know in the previous classes when we got burn or clothes burning, so roll down on the ground or cover it with the rug or the blankets. This break the supply of oxygen and put off the fire. First aid for wound and cut. First aid for wound and cut. First time wound. First off, clean the wound by pressing with the finger and clean the pus and damaged cells and tissue of the wound area, and apply any antiseptic lotion for cleaning like betadine solution, generally cypladine solution. Okay, after that cleaning, and apply a thin layer of the antiseptic ointment on the wound and cover it with any bandage or gauze. If skin cut by any sharp object, so first of all clean the cut area of the skins with lukewarm water or fresh water and apply a thin layer of a antiseptic cream. Okay student, apply a thin layer of the antiseptic cream and then cover it with any gauze and bandage and go to the doctor for consultants for proper treatment. Okay student, if bleeding is deeply and not stop of the cutted part, so consult to doctor immediately. Okay student, in suppose bleeding is severe, what will be given for first aid? This knowing to all individual at the home. A tourniquet, T-O-U-R, tourniquet. This tourniquet is a bandage which press the affected area and stop the bleeding. So bind the tourniquet on the affected part. Okay, so it applies a pressure on the bleeding area. If bleeding is not stop, then you consult to the doctor first of the bleeding. Okay student, and first aid for animal bite. Third is first aid for animal bite. Animals bite. Animals means insects like bee, wasp and snake also. Snake is very poisonous insects, poisonous weapons. And when snake bite to a person, their poisons are injected to the victim and mixed with blood and then supplied to the all over part of the body and affect the heart and the nervous system. So, and that time student, first of all you cut small cut with the disinfected sharp blade and press and press out the some blood from the affected area, and then bind a any bandage tightly above the cutted part. So this prevent the supply of blood to the other parts of the body. Okay, student. So it is very necessary. It is very necessary to know in that snake bite, and immediately go to hospital for giving anti-venom injection. Okay. So snake bite is very dangerous situation. Okay, student. And suppose dog or cat bite. Dog or cat bite. Generally, in their saliva there is a rabies virus. Rabies virus. When they cut our skin, their rabies are contact to our blood and enter in our blood. So, immediate go to the hospital from taking anti-rabies vaccine. Otherwise, it is very fatal and causes the death. So, there the vaccines are available free of cost in the government hospital. Okay, in private hospital or in the private nursing home, there are 3 doses are necessary. Okay, if we not taking properly 3 doses, we got it the hydrophobia and more salivation from our mouth, more salivation, more dog bite, cat bite, salivation, more salivation, and also hydrophobia. Hydro means water, phobia means fear. In future you will fear from water and more salivation and causes the death. So when any animals like dog, cat, horse bite you, then you will take the vaccines. Okay. Now student, first aid for fracture and sprain. Fourth point, that is first aid for fracture, FACTUR, and sprain. How can you identify that person, the particular person or victim have the fracture? What are the symptoms of fracture? Student, bone generally broken on the affected part and darkening and swelling on that particular area. Student, bone will what are the symptoms? Means bone got cracked. Bone got cracked, that is called fracture. Crack in any bone. Crack in any bone called fracture. First of all, what is symptoms? Swelling in muscles and swelling and strength, pain. Okay, swelling part, difficulty in moving, DIFFI, difficulty in moving, pain, and other symptoms are the darkening on that particular area, So in that time, don't move the affected bone. Don't try to move. Okay? And listen very carefully. First, what is the symptoms? If this is fracture or sprain. If fractures, there are splint and spleen. Splint. What do you mean by splint? Student, splint is a cloth, triangular cloth. Okay? And there is a sling. Sling. Sling is a triangular cloth which are hanging with our neck area. Suppose our this hand, left hand is broken down. So cover the affected area with a clothes and bind with our neck. Suppose this type and hanging this type. And you can also give in the support from the protection of moving, that is called splint. You can roll down the newspaper and make it hard, or you can also use the cardboard, okay, and bind the affected area and use the sling. Okay, student, and round the neck to support the injured area. Sling round the affected area and to support the fracture. Okay, student. What is sprain? Sprain generally are found in the joints. Suppose this is the wrist joints, ankle joints. When you are walking carelessly, sometimes they are moved. Okay. What is the symptoms of the sprains? The joint swells up. Joint swells up. Okay. Joint swells up and pain. Rest the injured limb. Rest the injured limb. Don't move this. Don't try you. And you will first of all apply a cold pack of water or cold water on the affected area first day, and after next day, second day, you will apply the lukewarm water and wash the swelling part of the sprain. Okay, student. So this will continuously 2 to 3 days and reduce the sprain on the particular area. So student, there are some first aid in common emergencies. We hope you are all read it very carefully, which is very useful in your life. So write down today's homework, student. Read the first aid in common